get is a main power loom, and this end you have to just connect it to the unit in a particular spot there. There you go. On the other end, you have to plug it to one of the cables at the back of the factory unit. Next one you've got is a radio antenna plug. So the other end you have to connect it to the factory plug. You come at the back of the unit, and the other end goes here. Next thing, you have a 4-pin USB adapter. So if your car have any factory USB running there, so you just have to connect the other cable here, and you can just connect this 4-pin there, and you have another 6-pin USB, so you can either run it to the glove box or drop it at the bottom of the unit if you have space. That goes there. Is the RCS with the SIM card slot, so you can either put in a SIM card so that you don't have to hotspot your unit every time, and you can just connect this plug here. There you go. Next thing you have is the reversing camera adapter plug, so you just have to connect it here and connect the other end of the camera plug. If you're wiring a aftermarket camera, you can use this adapter to plug it in. At the last you have your microphone, so this plugs at this spot here, and you can either run it on top of the steering wheel or the top of the driver airbag. Wi-Fi, which is a small little antenna here, which goes at the back. The last one, which says Wi-Fi there. And the next you have is a 4G antenna, which is the middle one here. You should run your GPS at the topmost corner of your dashboard. I'll show it to you in a second when I'm doing the installation. And you have screws fit here. And that's it. Let's go and plug it in.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, and nope.